Pradhan from LabVIEW Programming. From today, we will discuss about the simulation toolkits of the control system subpalette. Okay, so we will learn this simulation platform. We will try to design some projects using this simulation platform. Okay, and we will learn how can we launch the simulation loop and how can we integrate, differentiate, and how can we create the state space and other things. Okay, one by one. So first of all, open your LabVIEW, right click here, come into the control system and simulations. There is a simulations, click here, take the control and simulation loop. Control and simulation loop. In this control and simulation loop, I will show you how can we differentiate, how can we differentiate sine waveform. Okay, so for that we will come into the signal generation. In this signal generation, we will come into the sine signal. We'll take the sine signal here. Okay, we will take the sine signal here. After that, we will double click and open it. Now we will try to set the frequency will be 0.15915. Okay, it is our frequency. Nice. Okay, so right now our icon style is dynamic. If you want to change it static, so you can click this one, it's static. If you will click again, okay, and you want to change the icon style, text only. So offset is 0, amplitude is 1, and frequency is 0.15 something, and this is phase. Now the best way is the dynamic. Okay, first I will try to display only this sine signal. Okay, first we will try to display this sine signal. So let's see. Now come here and take one graph utility. Second column, right click, come to the control and simulation toolkits. Simulations, come inside the simulation. In the second row, last column, you will get graph utility. Okay, in the graph utilities, you will get a simulate time waveform, simulation time waveform. Okay, now we will connect. Right click, create. Run. So now you can see this does not look like a sine waveform. It does not look like a sine waveform. Why? So the frequency is correct here. It looks like a sine waveform. Okay, amplitude is set. So why it's not look like? Just because now we need to set the ordinary differential equation. Okay, the program solver. So for that, double click on this. Okay, and now try to configure. Now we will use ordinary differential equation solver, and here the initial time is 0, the final time is 10. Can I increase the final time is to 100 for okay? After that, click here, ELR Ronkutta, step size will be 0.1. Okay, now can I try to write? Now you can see my signal is okay, it's looking perfect sine waveform. I will double click it again. I will increase the final time. The final time will be okay 1, and step size will be the 0.01. Let's see. Okay, so for the step size, okay, 1, this is my signal, sine signal, which is generated by sine waveform, simulated by. So I will again double click and I will right click here, click, okay. So this one is okay. By using this process, you can display your sine waveform inside the simulation toolkits. In the next video, I will show you how can we use derivative functions. Okay. Best of luck.